Hello viewers, welcome to my channel in Vlog Vision. Today I'm here to give you some cool tips and tricks for falsies with branded and unbranded products. What is the difference, how you can achieve the same kind of look with unbranded version also. But before I go, kindly like, subscribe, share and also press the bell button for notifications. These lashes are reusable Pastille. Okay, the brand is Pastille, and lashes, basically the lash shape was good. This is why I bought it. Whenever you buy lashes, kindly keep this thing in mind that you don't need to bend them and make them according to the shape of your eye. They have to be already in this kind of shape. This will be very easy for beginners also to apply lashes. So this is one tip, and now I'm going to open this out and show you. See this? When you take out the lash, they already have to be in this kind of shape as your eye is. I've seen people doing tricks with the lashes, then they apply it on their eyes. That is good, but if the lash has got already this kind of shape made, it will be very easy for you guys to apply. So here I have got this Masters Professional made in Korea. I have this lash glue from 5 to 6 years. A little bit expensive product, but believe me that this product is worth buying, and I always and highly recommend this. So here one tip I want to give to the beginners and to those who want to apply lashes in a hurry, that you don't need to apply lash glue on the lash. You will go directly on your eye and you will apply just like you apply liner on your eyes. I'm just going to wait for 15 seconds and going to apply. And later what you can do is you can cover this area with black liner or blue liner. This is one way I taught you that you don't have to apply the glue on the lashes. Instead you will apply it on your eyes just like you apply liner on your eyes. You just have to press and you will find out that when you pull this, see, I'm pulling it quite hard, okay, but still it's not coming out. So one thing I really like about this product, by the movement of your eyes, even if the lash is out, what happens is that when you stick the lash again, this glue will always be there. So one thing I really like about this glue, like you have taken it out and again you want to put it on your eyes, so it will work the same way. Like, it will not let you be embarrassed. I've seen people and I've also experienced it myself that many times I am attending a party or something and the lash is slowly it has started coming off, but I was never able to fix this matter unless I bought this Masters lash glue. So this way you will be able to stick the lash again if you use this kind of lash glue. I will tell you how you can check when you are buying lash glue for your lashes. So here, see, it is not coming out. I've got this Revlon branded eyelash, and with this lash I got this applicator, glue, stick and of course the lashes. So let's see, I'll open this out. I have never used them, but because I already was having other branded lashes, so this is the first time I bought Revlon, and of course they gave this glue and this applicator. Why I bought Revlon this time because I wanted to experience about this applicator. So let's see how it goes. So here I will show you guys how you can apply. Now this has got that straight thing. I find very difficult when I have to apply the lashes. So I think you should keep in mind that those lashes which has got this kind of shape, like a curve already, in them you will never find any kind of problem when you are applying a lash which has got this kind of bend, this kind of curve in it. So anyways, I'm going to apply this. I really like the natural look of this lash. In a way, they have not cheated you by providing this applicator and a straight lash, because when you will apply the lash with the help of this applicator, this will automatically get that kind of curve which I am talking about. It has got white glue in it. Same way I told you that you have to apply. I think that this glue is not that good because it has got those chunks in it. This glue is becoming transparent, but where that chunk is, it's gone wrong because of this chunk. So when you apply your lash with this kind of applicator, see this, so you will achieve your target easily. So here, if you see, we have got the lash stuck, okay, just the way your eye shape is. And now after pressing it a bit hard, they have also provided you with this kind of applicator. What you can do is you can press it onto your eyes, and now the time is to check. See, if I try to stick it again, it has not got that kind of elasticity. I would say that I only like this applicator of theirs. See, if you apply it on your curvy area like your eyelid is, it is properly going with that. Now the time is to give you a tip that when you are going to buy a lash glue, how you have to find out that the lash glue is worth buying or not. What you have to do is you just apply it, draw a thin line just like you do with your eyeliner, wait for 30 seconds or maximum for 45 seconds, try to stick and press it hard. So after like 30 seconds, when you move your hand back, it should give you this kind of pull. So here you see, if you are getting this kind of pull, like you are pulling it hard and then it is going to get off to your skin, that is fine. But if it is not hard, I'll do the same with this as I did with that. So 45 seconds are over. Now I'm going to check. I will push it hard together, okay, and after 30 seconds I'm going to pull it. You see how easily it's coming off, no elasticity. And you see this, so you will be able to find the difference just like I did if you follow the same. About this black lash glue, I really like one thing, that they have given a very handy applicator with this. and it will be very easy for the beginners to apply it on the eyes. You always have to go for black color lash glue and not for the white one. Why? Because if you do any kind of mistake, it is very easy for the beginner especially that you will be able to cover that mistake with eyeliner. But if you are going with white lash glue, it will always disappoint you in this way that it will be very hard for you to cover the mistakes. So the last thing which I want to tell you guys about this Masters Professional Eyelash Glue is that for some times it stopped working for me and got dried up. What I did was I just poured 2-3 drops of contact solution. You can also put some drops of eye drops, any kind of eye drops, and it will start working again. So this was all about today's video. I hope that you did like it. Kindly like, subscribe and share, and also let me know if you want to know more about any other kind of product. I will definitely make a review. Take care and bye bye.